Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's we are discuss about bronchitis. The major organ of respiratory system include the nose, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Bronchitis is an inflammation of the air passes between nose and the lungs, including the windpipe or trachea and the larger air tube of lungs that brings air in from the trachea or bronchi. There are two types of bronchitis, acute bronchitis or chronic bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is more common and brief duration. It usually improves within a week to 10 days and it can heal without complication. Bronchitis is usually caused by a viral infection but can also be caused by a bacterial infection. Chronic bronchitis is a sign of serious lung disease that may be slowed but cannot be cured. Next is causes of acute bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is usually caused by a viral infection but can also be caused by a bacterial infection and sometimes exposure to substances that irritate the lungs such as tobacco, smoke, dust, fumes, vapors, air pollution. Next is causes of chronic bronchitis. Most common cause is smoking, but not everyone with bronchitis is a smoker. Other possible causes include long-term exposure of air pollution, dust, fumes from the environment, genetic factor, repeated episode of acute bronchitis, gastroesophageal reflux. Next is sign and symptom of bronchitis. Bronchitis can be acute or chronic. If it is acute, it happens once and then a person recovers. If it is chronic, it never goes away and person lives with it constantly, although it may get better and worse at times. Sign and symptoms of both acute and chronic bronchitis include feeling of tightness in the chest, wheezing sound, sore throat, fever with chills, a persistent cough which may produce mucus, body ache, blocked nose and sinuses, headache, breathlessness. Next is diagnosis of bronchitis. Any recent bouts of cold or flu. A doctor will carry out a physical examination using a stethoscope to listen for unusual sound in the lungs. They may also ask an individual about their symptoms, their medical history, whether they smoke, exposure to second-hand smoke, dust, fumes, or air pollution. Pulmonary function test or blood test. The doctor may also take a sputum to test for bacteria and virus in lab. Check oxygen level in the patient's blood and chest x-ray. Next is treatment of bronchitis. A doctor may advise a person with bronchitis to take a rest, drink plenty of fluids, take over the counter medicine such as analgesic. The symptoms of chronic bronchitis may resolve or improve for a while. However, they will come back or become worse again. Cough medicine useful for removing mucus from bronchial tubes. Using a humidifier, this can loosen mucus, improve air pipes and relieve wheezing. Bronchodilator. These opens the bronchial tubes and may help clear out mucus. Mucolytic drugs. These loosen or thin mucus in the airways. Anti-inflammatory and steroid drugs. These can help reduce inflammation that can cause tissue damage, but use only for a short period of time. Oxygen therapy. In severe cases may need supplement oxygen to ease their breathing. Other strategies for treating bronchitis include the following. Removing a lung irritant, for example by not smoking. Exercising to strengthen the chest muscles to help breathing. Improving breathing technique through pulmonary rehabilitation.